This is a demonstration of what I'm calling a prompter, which is also known as a wrapper for the shell man command for displaying man pages. The command I'm talking about is called mantastic. And if you just type it in with a question mark, you'll get a short description of the capabilities of what mantastic can do. But you really want to see what it can do, so let's type in mantastic. And we get prompted for a command or a man page to look at. I'm going to type in get. This looks through all the man database, looking at the descriptions for any keyword, any word that contains the word get, and displays all of them. As you can see, there's quite a few. We'll go ahead and pick one, get bundle. I've never used that, but let's see what it looks like. And the man page is displayed using the GUM pager. Again, this tool is built as a shell script utilizing the GUM project. Another option you can do is, if you know what you want to look for, you want to look for get, just type mantastic and get, and you'll get presented with that immediately. If we just hit enter again, we will see the GUM pager. We can do searches. I can do a /version, and it takes me the version. You can do an N, lowercase n, and goes to the next one. Uppercase N goes to the previous. Q closes that out. If you know the man page you want to look at, you can add a -D, and it will take you directly into the pager. So I hope you like this. Y'all have a good day.